Starting with the mathematics question paper of the year 2025 PUC examination, second PUC examination, which was in the month of March. This is exam 1 question paper, maximum marks for 80. So I will discuss the answers regarding to each and every questions. If you want the question paper and the questions, it is at the end of this video. You will get all the questions related to each and every answer at the end of the video. We will get the question paper only. I will discussing all the questions. I will discussing all the answers at the starting. At the end, you will get the question paper. So the first question is option number A. Here you can also notice that they have given or here. That means if you write the option number A also, they will give you the 1 marks. And if you write this whole statement also, it will be fetching you 1 marks. It is better to write only the option because it will save your time. So directly you should write these options only. Don't write this whole entire thing. If you know the correct answer, only write this option. So first option is A is the correct answer. Second, C is the correct answer. Coming to the third question, D is the correct answer. Fourth question, B is the correct option. Fifth, D is the correct option. Sixth, B is the correct option. Coming to the seventh question, A is the correct answer. Coming to the eighth, option number D is correct. Ninth, A is correct. 10th, D is correct. 11th, B is correct. 12th, C is correct. 13th, B is correct. 14th, A is correct. 15th, C is correct. Coming to the second one, question number 16, answer is 1. 17th minus 1. 18th is 6. Answer for 19th is 0. Answer for 20 is 5 by 9. Coming to the part B, which is from the matrix. Question number 21, part B. It is from matrix and it is asked for 1 marks. So if you write the steps and all, you will get 1 marks totally. 1 plus 1. It is, I think it is for 2 marks. Yes, it is for 2 marks. You have to solve each and every step. Then only you will get the 2 marks. Don't miss the steps. It is directly the key answers. But if you write this same steps, you will get the 2 marks directly. Just see your answers or compare this all with your question paper, what you have written in the examination. Question paper will be discussed or shown at the end. I will directly now showing the answers related to each and every question. So just now I will scroll it. You can watch it at the end. How just watch in the answer scheme how the steps are systematically written and how they are marks provided at the right hand side of the question answer scheme solution. Just watch it carefully because the same if you have written in the examination you will get 80 out of 80, but before it was 20. Before this 20 marks from assignment was not there, but now they have conducted this examination for 80 marks. First we have written for 100 marks. Now they are set up this paper for only 80 marks. 35th question. See how they have written. 36th. 37th question. See the diagrams, how they have written. Diagram is important because diagram will also be having 1 marks. Drawing the graph of all 2 lines 1 marks and all 3 lines ordered 2 marks. The total it is for 4 marks. So we come to the end of the question paper. So now here I will start with the questions. These are the questions what they have asked in the examination. Just now I will scroll the questions. We should match these questions with the above answers. I have taken this question paper at the end because no one will see the question paper, they want answers. So I have discussed this question paper at the end. So do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, like, share, and if anything you want from my side regarding any queries, you can comment it. I will reply to your comments because comments are important to me. Just don't watch. Please do subscribe to my channel because I have taken lots of effort for creating that solutions and answers regarding to each and every question. So please do subscribe to channel because I have spent lots of time in it. It has many efforts till finding the question paper and creating all answers script and providing to you with the help of video. It consists lots of effort. So please do subscribe to the channel, like, share, and it with your friends. This is the end of the question paper. Note that part F is for visually challenged students, means it is for only disabled students only. So for the physically fit students, the question number 46 is the last. Part E is the last. Thank you for watching till then. And if you want the answers are it, as you know, it is on the top. I have discussed the answers at the beginning only. So thank you once again. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching till end.